Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free, mainly beauty. I'm going to get into what I chose for the Boxycharm by Ipsy for March 2025. And I'm just going to show really quickly the options. I tried to film it, but like the screen record, it failed me. Okay, it crashed for some reason. So I'll just show you over here, like the options, at least the options for Ipsy Glam Bag as well as Boxycharm by Ipsy. And then I should be getting my PR box tomorrow, I think. So I'll be seeing an unboxing. I don't know if this is going to go up before that. So first, what was the two items that were chosen for me was the Laura Geller Laura's Essentials Candy Cravings Palette. It looks cute. I honestly don't know if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to put it in a giveaway. Let me see if it's, I'm pretty sure it's vegan. Let me double check. It's $25 value, 12 eyeshadows and neutrals and rosy hues. I mean, it looks pretty, but like, do I have these shades? Yes. I don't see any carmine, so I do believe it is vegan. It has a blush and a highlighter, but it's like the pans are really small, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. And then I have from Element Beauty a lip scrub, $18, which is, I mean, pretty expensive. It's vegan and cruelty free, so I'm gonna keep that because it's always nice to have a lip scrub. The items that I did choose are, I chose the 5 Cents Into Deep Eau de Parfum, and I have some perfumes over here. I've been trying different ones out, and I have one from 5 Cents. I think I got last month, the Life of the Party Blackcurrant Midnight Jasmine. The notes were rich sandalwood, sparkling sugar, Tahitian vanilla. So I thought it's supposed to be sweet but kind of comforting, gourmand with comforting wood. So I'm hoping it's not super woody because I don't really like super woody fragrances. It's just not really my thing. And then I chose from Bliss this one. You can hear my kids are playing. So this, I don't know, some of these options, there really wasn't a lot of good options. I'm just being completely honest and transparent. Even though I get sent it in PR, I do pay for the box as well. But this is from Bliss. These are the Pore Patrol blemish patches, and they're stars for, you know, zits and stuff. So those are always nice to have, but I'm like, I personally think they're worth $18. You can get them from like Elf or other places that are cheaper. They're kind of everywhere. You can get them at like TJ Maxx. And then from Paretos, this is the Done with a Slay makeup remover. It's a $21 value, and I'm getting low on my makeup removers. So the packaging looks cute. I guess they're like a lash brand. I don't know. But we'll see. This is good because I do like the one that I actually found from Boxycharm. The Toy Factory one is really, really good. That's the one I'm almost out of. That is my favorite. Besides the Good Molecules is really good as well. And the Elf Cleansing Balm, which I haven't gotten in a while. That one's really good. And then for my Boost product, which the options were okay. I got the Moon Juice Cosmic Cream Collagen Protecting Moisturizer, and I made sure it was vegan. It's a vegan collagen, $58 value. I always like trying new moisturizers, and it has peptides, adaptogens, blah, blah. The environmental stressor things I think is a little crap personally, but I always like trying new moisturizers. And then the only add-on that I got that was like $3 was the Milani Cosmetics Color Fetish Hydrating Lip Stain in the shade Mauve Mentality. I've been wanting to try these lip stains for a while. I'm trying to get into lip stains. So I don't like reapplying lip products, and I don't like when they also get all messy. I'm putting on the screen the options for Ipsy Glam Bag, which I did not get, and I wasn't impressed, so I'm like missing it, honestly, because some of the items were items that I've seen in Boxycharm before, and they're just minis, or I already have them, like the What's Up Beauty primer. I already have that. So I don't know. And a lot of the, now I will say some of the add-ons were impressive. I almost got a couple of foundations, but I was like, no. So I didn't do that. And then I'll put the Boxycharm by Ipsy spoiler, or all the options for Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'll put them up here now too. Let me know, are you impressed by these? Are you kind of disappointed? I'm just, I don't know. Sometimes Boxycharm is really good, and then other times it's like just kind of meh. So I don't know. We'll see when I get all my products. We'll see when I get my box if I'm impressed or if I'm not impressed. But as always, stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. My form of self-care as a busy working mom is beauty. You can't take care of others unless you take care of yourself. And I hope to see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. I also have a link down below if you want to sign up for Boxycharm or Ipsy Glam Bag or the icon box. Bye.